Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm very excited about this box, guys, because this is my monthly subscription. It's my makeup monthly subscription. Oh wow! So this one is also came from my last few videos that I shoot. This is from Glow Addict website. So I do receive once a month of this. Very cute. They always like something like a different makeup inside, skincare, makeup, or accessories, something like that. So I'm always excited to see what they sent me. You never know, it's always like something like fun, and it's fun. So but anyway, I'm excited to share with you guys what inside in this box. And of course I have 2 months, so I have the July and August. I was gonna wait for the September one, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do like a September and October. So for October, then I'll do another video for the for this one. So it's better to just do 2 boxes. So another boxes from them is this. So it's not in the box. I'm not sure why, but they're from the same. They probably run out of the box, right? So they're also from the Glow Addict. And so where's my scissor? Okay. So let's open this one because I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside on this box. So let's see. So in this one, we have these brushes, limited edition from Manakadar Beauty. So it's the brushes. So it has that. What? So that's the style. You guys like my new nail color? Wow! I was bored like last night, so I kinda changed my nail polish. But anyway, this is really cute because it has that small. I think, you know, this brushes is gonna work on me. It's because there are a small brush on the top, so you guys can see. So I'm definitely going to try this one the next time. What's the next one? Ooh, you know what? I was thinking to go get this in Ulta because I have one of this and it's very old. Have this one. This is the old version, I think. It's because it's I think I purchased this back in the Philippines, or one of my friends actually brought this for me, and so I still have it because it's so easy to use. It's so light. But so this one it's a little bit thicker, but I never had this type of lash curler. So let's open up and so we can see. Wow, so this one, see, it's so it's different than what I have. See, I use this. Is very simple and, you know, very light. And this one, so have to try it next time. But there you are. What else do we have in here? Oh, it said it's August box. What is this? Shining Eyes Butter Liquid Eyeshadow. Is that? Okay, maybe. So, this is cute. Ooh, look. So it's like a gray black. So this is cute. Oh, I wanted to try that. Look at her eyes. I want to try that. See that, guys? Maybe we can try that one. And this one from Grace and Stila, and it's spray all day. So that's the box. You know what? We need this on our makeup. I have a different one from Lancome, but this one we'll try it. It said thank you. So you just spray hydrating facial spray. See? And you just leave it there. So next is a little palette. See, guys, this is really cute, and the color of this, so it's perfect. It's perfect for your small purse. So if you have a small purse and you want to go out, but then you want to have that color, very natural. There you go. So let's open up the other box. Look at this, guys. So it has two different eyeshadow palette. It's a small one that you can carry everywhere, but if you love you know, colorful, this is gonna be a perfect one. So let's see. Ooh, this is a glitter. Look how beautiful is this, guys. Is that pretty? That is so cute. So all those love makeup and, you know, color glitters on your makeup, this is a perfect one. Brushes, guys. So this one is a mermaid brushes. Let's see. Look at that. Is that so cute? I think they're so adorable. Look at the tail. Let me show you guys. Please. Look at the tail. Oh, I think that's so adorable. It's really, really cute. And then, so we have the brushes. What is this? Oh my, look at this, guys. Okay, I'll show you guys. I don't know what is this, but let me, can you guys see? Okay, look at that. And then, what is that? So cute. It's so pretty. It's like a hard black, you know, but I think this is, let me go double check. What is this? The Bestie for You brushes. I'm not really sure what is this. It doesn't say anything. Huh. Now I'm going to figure out what is this, because it said over here Betsy for your brushes. So what does that mean, right? So I'm gonna have to research what exactly is this. But anyway, let's continue. Okay, of course, my favorite part of my makeup, lashes, guys. So this one is I never tried this one because this is something a different brand for me from I normally use. So this is, okay, this is from shopeyebeauty.com. It says vegan and curly free. So what else do we have in here? And then we do have a skincare. So this one is a vitamin, it's a toner, enriched sense, and vitamin E step, 3-step sheet mask. So that's the one. And then this one is the vitamin 2-step sheet mask. So this is the step 1 and this is the step 2. And then this is the vitamin, also it's the same thing. It's 2-step toner and the sheet mask. So that's the one. So it has that, you know, oh sorry, 3 different things. I love skincare, guys. It's one of my must to use every day. No matter how tired I am or how sleepy I am, I have to use my night cream, my serum, my toner. So I have to use that, guys, every night and also every morning. And of course I have my rest day on my face that I don't put any makeup, which is Sunday. So I don't do anything on Sunday most of the time. I don't even answer my phone, guys, on Sunday. So don't call me on Sunday. So my phone will be like ringing and Irene is not going to answer that phone. But anyway, guys, the same thing for our skin. We have to put some resting on the skin we have, especially for the makeup. If you are using that liquid foundation or anything on your face, you gotta have some resting on your face. So but anyway, guys, this is a really wonderful box that we did receive and we opened. And so I'm really excited to use this, but definitely I'm gonna go to the website and figure out what it is. This is one of my what is that? This is one of my projects. What it is, but it's just so cute and it smells so nice. Look at that. It has that black heart in the middle. It's just so beautiful. I can't get over of this. But anyway, guys, thank you so much again, guys, for joining with me with this unboxing subscription and my monthly one. So hopefully you see you guys on my next video. And again, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click that bell button so you won't miss anything on my beauty tutorial and also my beauty advice on your skin and another thing, guys, too, in my live stream. So anyway, guys, I'll see you again later.